Hello guys, this is God's Power Ogiagbe. So today I'm going to show you step by step how you can create your business Instagram account. So if you want to learn how you can create your business Instagram account, all you just need to do is to keep on watching this video and let me show you how. So guys, to create your business Instagram account, what you need to do, once you land on this page, click on register. So once you click on register to bring you to this page, so I'm going to fill out this page now in just a second. So as you can see guys, I have entered all my information that is needed here. My Gmail, full name, username and password. So scroll down and click on this section which is next. So once you click it, it will bring you to this page where you are going to enter your date of birth. So you can see it's asking, say add your date of birth. Scroll down here, click on it and select your date of birth. Click on it, select the month here and click here again to select the year. And I'm going to search for the year 1991. So now I've set it to my date of birth. I will click on next. So once I click on next, it will say that say enter confirmation code. Enter confirmation code sent. We send to God's Power. This is my Gmail, which is the sent to this place. I will go and collect the code now. So you can see this is our Gmail and this is the email we received from Instagram. Click on it and this is your code. Copy your code and paste it here. Paste in your code and click on continue. Next. So as you can see, it will bring us here asking us to enter our phone number. Sometimes they might tell you that your account has been suspended for 30 days. What you can do is that you need to verify your Gmail and your phone number. Once you do these two things, your phone number and your Gmail, you will your account will be fully open. So now I'm going to enter my phone number here and click on get code and they will send me a code. I'll enter the code here and my account will be fully verified. So let me now enter my phone number. So as you can see, I have entered my phone number. I will click on send code. So they have sent me code. So I'm sorry, I didn't enter it well. So when I click on send code, they have sent me a code. So I will go to my phone number and enter the code that is sent to me on this my phone number you can see here. So I'll just go and take the code that is sent to me. So I've entered my code. I will click on next. So once you do that, you will see that it will tell you if you want to enable the notification of Instagram. Anytime you receive a message, you'll be receiving notification on your computer or on your smartphone. You can enable that if you want. Me, I don't need that. I'll just click on later. So now this is now our new Instagram account. So what we can do, the first thing is to create a logo, or we can enter a profile for our Instagram account. So I want to create a logo for this my Instagram account. So what I can do to create a free logo for my Instagram account, I can go to a place like Canva. So once I come to Canva, I will click on this section where it says customize. To create a logo size, if you need this like exactly the size of logo, you can use this 500 by 500 piece. So enter 500 and 500 here, or you can just click manually here and it will take you to Canva where you can create your Canva logo. So once it brings you here, what you can do, just click here and click on this element here. You can search for like kind of, let's just say for example money. Just search for money and you can see a bunch of things that will display concerning money. You can choose kind of a logo you want. You know, I want to use money for example of this video. I will click on the money and the money's bag will pop up here, and I'll just need to resize it to look exactly to what I want. I want to put it at the middle here, and I can change the color. Click on this color icon here and you click on the multiple colors and make sure you want to make it to look exactly to what you want. So me, I'll make it my own green, and I will make this dollar icon, dollar sign, I'll make that one white, and I will make the background of this my logo black. So I'll click on that. So as you can see, this is my logo now, and to enter a text, I want to enter a simple text like I am, and I will just do that, and I will go and I will enter I am. Once I write I which is AI. I will just do that like this, and I will just drag it down a bit, and I will expand it more to at least to fit in the almost everything. So as you can see, is at the middle. I will bring it here. I think like this is okay for me. And if you are okay with it like this, so I think it's okay like this for me. And let me still drag it a little bit more. So it's okay for me like this. So what I just need to do is to like change the text. I can just change the text to white, and you can do something like change the fonts, make it to look something like this, like you want to change the looks of the text. So as you can see, I think it's okay for me like this. And to download it, all I just need to do is to click on this share icon, scroll down, you see download, and you click on download. It will be downloaded to your computer. And let us go back again to our Instagram account so that we can upload our logo. So if you want to use this Canva, the link to use Canva will be in the description below if you want to use it. So click here and come to your website, your Instagram profile here. Click on your profile. So once you click on your profile here, what you need to do is to insert a profile image. So click here now and click that, and click on this section where it says change profile picture. Click on that, and it will take you to your computer. What you need to do is to go to where you downloaded that file, which is here, and this is it. I'll click on open. So it's uploading our profile picture, and that is how you can do that. So as you can see now, we have a logo on our Instagram account. So once you have entered that, the next thing is to scroll down and click on save. Normally it is showing save, but it's showing send. Normally when it's blue, you can click on it so that anything you do here will be saved. So once you are done with that, you need to go back again. And so as you can see now, you have updated your profile. So this is now your profile. Let me search for myself. Let me say I am Rigos Power. I will just search for myself here, and I am Rigos Power. So I will just search for myself here, and this is me. If you don't know me, go and follow me on Instagram, and I will follow myself. And yeah, so once I follow myself, I can go back to Instagram, click on home, and I think it will change just a second. So now let me show you, since you have uploaded your profile picture, which is now, this is, let's use for example, this is your profile picture. So to switch your account so that your Instagram will become a business account. So how can you do that? So I will just go to click on this icon again and click on profile. So once you click on profile, click on edit profile. So once you do that, just scroll down, you see the section where it says switch to a business account, which is professional account. You will click on switch to professional account. I'll click on that. So once I click on that, it will open this page, and it will ask me what am I. So say what type of account is right for you. So you can do like creators, because I'm a creator, I create videos, and I'll click on next. And here is going to like ask us some things, and you just need to leave all those things just like they are and click on next. So once you click on next, what you can do here is going to ask you which of the category you want to be on. Select your category. I can just say, for example, you can choose the niche of what you are doing. So I will click on personal blog. I will just click on personal blog, and I will click on next. And once I click on that, it's going to now. So once you click on that, you see, you take it to this section. We say your creator account, your creator Instagram account is ready. So now you have your business account created. So if you, let me say for example, you want to connect this your Instagram account to your Facebook account, what you can do is to go and create a Facebook page so that everything will be working fine for you. So what you can do, let us go to my Facebook account so that I will show you how you can create your Facebook page, and I'll still show you how you can connect it to this your Instagram account. It's very simple, so that everything will be working for you. So what you can do now, just follow my step and let us go to Facebook. So once you come to Facebook, just click on this button icon. On mobile it might be different. You will just click on the settings icon and you can go to you will find pages. So if I click on this thing here, and it's a button, just click on this button here and scroll down to where page. So if I click on page, so as you can see, it's asking me now to enter the name for this my page. So I'm going to enter a name for it. So as you can see, I have entered the name of my Facebook page, and I've entered the category, which is publisher. I have entered a short description about this my page. I'll click on create page. So the page will be created. I'll click on save. So as you can see, our page have just been created. So what I need to do is to upload the same image. I'll click on this icon here to upload my own image. Sorry about that. I'll cancel this and just scroll down and click on the this kind of photo icon and click on here where you say edit. And here we are going to upload from our computer, which is this logo here. I'll paste it here. And this is now our logo. I'll just scroll down. You can enter a short description if you want. I don't want to enter anything. I'll just click on save. And we are good. So we have just been saved. So our feature image, click on this icon again too, and we want to use this as our feature image. Later we can like design it to look exactly to what we want. We'll use the same thing and just click on that, and you can just crop it like to this area here, and you click on save. So yeah, as you can see now, we have just updated everything, and this is now our Facebook page. So to connect our Instagram to our Facebook page is very simple. Just follow this icon here, just scroll down and click on this settings. I think yes, is settings. Once you click on settings, so once you click on settings to open this page, you'll see a bunch of things here. Just scroll down till you find Instagram. Click on Instagram here. And once it opens, you will see that it's asking you to connect your Instagram account. So what you can do here is to click on connect and make sure this is on. Say allow Instagram to allow access to Instagram message inbox. So click on continue if you want. That depends on you if you want. So just click on that. So once you have entered your password and your Gmail here, you just need to click on login. So it will take you to your main account. You will see this, and all you just need to do is to click on save, and that is all you just have to do. So yeah, so now your profile, your Instagram have been connected to your Facebook. Your Instagram account will be connected to your Facebook page. So everything is set for a business account. So now you have your business account. So to see how everything is going, you just need to go. So to see if your Instagram account is a business account, what you need to do, click on this icon here. And once you click on this icon, you can see that it will be asking you to start sharing content, which is photos or content that you are creating. Maybe it can be videos, so you can start sharing them here. And to really verify, to make sure that everything is working, you click on this settings profile. Just scroll down and you will see the section where it says switch to personal account. So you can see that your account is a business account. Now that is why you are seeing that it's telling you to switch to personal account. So you have your Instagram business account set. So now you can start using your Instagram to do whatever you want to do. So on your smartphone, it will show a lot of things. On computer, it shows few things on your computer. So when you use it on your smartphone, you will see everything like other people are seeing on their Instagram account. So I will say thank you very much if you watch this video from the beginning to the end here. So you are done watching this my video. So what are you waiting for? All you just need to do is to click that subscribe button and click the bell, or you can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. It just depends on where you want to follow me. Go and follow me. Let us connect together and start making money online for free. And you can visit my website, which is www.ugospay.com. You can check my SEO website, which is www.usafeseotools.com. Check them out. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, and let us keep on making money online for free. See you on the next video.